name is Erin Cloyd. I've been seeing Dr. Steve for a little over a month, I think. I came in, my boyfriend recommended me, and I had severe headaches. I took probably 800 milligrams of ibuprofen a day. Since seeing Dr. Steve, my posture has become better, and I have less headaches, probably around 90% better than normal. And I have referred some of my friends to Dr. Steve, and at first I was skeptic about chiropractics, but now I'm a complete believer. Thank you, Dr. Steve.
Hi, my name is Tony Hinton. I came to Dr. Steve about a year ago. I really wasn't hoping for much, and when I came to him, my neck hurt, had a lot of limited range of motion. Had a couple blown discs in my neck that I've had for about 10 years. I had actually forgotten until I came here that a person could actually look up. I had not looked up in so many years. I couldn't look up. When I'd walk with my wife and we were talking, I couldn't turn my head to look at her. I could go about this far and look at her, and so I would talk ahead and didn't even know you could actually turn your head to the side anymore. It's about 10 years since I'd forgotten. And so after like the first couple visits to Dr. Steve, I could look straight up again to the sky. I could also turn my head like this and actually talk to somebody and also look up, and it's amazing. So Dr. Steve is great, and definitely have recommended many friends who felt the same. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Paulina, and I've been seeing Dr. Steve after I was rear-ended in a car accident for neck and back pain. After a few weeks, I felt 100% better. I continue to see Dr. Steve on a regular basis for adjustments since I'm involved in sports. It keeps me tuned up, and I would recommend him to any one of my friends or family members. I think he is a great chiropractor.
I came to Dr. Steve with quite a bit of neck pain and upper shoulder pain. I'm pretty active, but there was no way I was able to move. I was losing sleep. I felt tightness. My shoulders were pretty much angled differently, and I really needed help. When I came to the adjustment, I was a little skeptical. I thought I might have to go to just a physician to get x-rayed. But with Dr. Steve's adjustments, over a time, in a very short time actually, I felt better and better. My shoulders are looser than they've been in the last 5 years. I also had a rib out placed, and Dr. Steve got it back in place, and my breathing is even much better on a daily basis. And I would definitely recommend Dr. Steve to anyone. He's a lifesaver. He's actually helped my husband as well, and my son will be coming in very shortly.
When I first started coming to Dr. Steve, I couldn't move my back. I couldn't even get out of the car. My husband actually had to drive me into the chiropractor to get adjusted, and I couldn't stop crying. Once I came to Dr. Steve, I immediately felt relief. The next day I was able to drive myself to the chiropractor and got adjusted, and I feel a million times better. I'm not crying, and Dr. Steve is the best.
Hi, I'm Brandy, and I came in probably about 5 months ago and got myself adjusted and my back and hips put back. And then we came in for Nicholas because he was crying and gassy and cried, and Dr. Steve adjusted him, and now he is the happiest baby in the whole wide world. I recommend everybody bringing their babies in and getting adjusted by Dr. Steve. He is the best. Thanks, Dr. Steve.
I'm from Yuma, Arizona. I have known Steve since he was in junior high, and by accident we met after so many years in a coffee shop. And I brought up my inhaler. He asked immediately, "What's wrong with you? What do you consider an inhaler?" So we went into detail about my asthma and my problems with my sinuses. So he invited me to come to his practice, and I did so along with my husband. Since then, I don't have any problems with my asthma. My worst months were January, February. I don't use my inhaler anymore. I don't have to have my pills with me. I don't need them. And so even my sinus infections have diminished, which I used to have them almost monthly. Now I just get once a year. And my posture has improved. I have noticed some weight loss too, so I feel great. So before I go to my medical doctor, I come to Steve first. to see if we can remedy the situation to some adjustments, and then if he continues, I go to my doctor, but so far I don't have to.
We drive. We live in Yuma. He's in Phoenix. So when we come in here, we have a 3.5-hour drive one way. And the fact that we're willing to do 7 hours in one day to drive just to come here, just to receive his treatment, is testimonial in itself of how it's improved our lives. So diet knowledge, loss of weight, improvement of body function, improvement of sleep, and overall improvement of well-being. These are things that you'll get if you see him.